Hi everyone, welcome back. Chili oil is a delicious and versatile condiment that can add extra heat and flavor to a wide variety of dishes. Today I'm sharing 3 very easy recipes that you can make from chili oil. You can refer to my previous video for my go-to chili oil recipe. Let's make chili garlic prawns. Heat up 2 tablespoons chili oil in a pan, add 250 grams prawns, sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste. The chili oil already has salt, so be careful while adding it. Fry them until they are slightly golden brown on each side. Once they are cooked, squeeze in half a lemon, garnish with some chopped coriander and take them off the heat. Transfer to a plate, drizzle a little more chili oil on top. These juicy, flavorful prawns are absolutely delicious and they never fail to impress. Next, I'm making a chili garlic fried rice. Ready in less than 15 minutes, it's an excellent option for a weeknight lunch or dinner and a great way to use up the leftover rice. Heat up half a teaspoon oil in a pan, break in 1 egg, add salt and pepper to taste, scramble it and cook for 2 minutes. Slide it to one side of the pan, add 2 tablespoons chili oil. Once it's hot, add 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped spring onion and saute for a minute. Egg is completely optional, you can skip it or add chopped vegetables of your choice. Then add 2 cups of steamed rice, some salt to taste, stir and mix everything well. This has become my latest favorite fried rice. It does not require any side dish and can be consumed as a main dish. Next, I'm making my all-time favorite chili oil noodles. It's perfect for one of those lazy night meals when you are unsure about what to make for dinner. Boil your choice of noodles as per package instruction. Once the noodles are cooked, drain it in a sieve and set aside. Heat up a pan, add 2 tablespoons chili oil, 2 to 3 cloves finely chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped spring onion. Saute them for a few minutes. Then add the noodles, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and toss until everything is well combined. Add some reserved noodle water if required. Add salt to your liking. Garnish with chopped spring onions, toasted sesame seeds. Serve immediately and enjoy. I hope you guys give these recipes a try and let me know if you like them. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.